Hi everyone, and welcome to Module 9. This module is going to be a 2-week module because it is a little lengthier. You're going to be creating your digital story now this time. Last module I had you create the mind map to kind of organize your thoughts for creating the digital story. So in these next 2 weeks you're going to be actually creating the digital story. Um, so I've got the due date here. You're going to create a digital video. You'll add it to your portfolio, either YouTube or WeVideo, and I have directions below that'll help you with that. Here are the grading guide for that for this project. And important to note that you have to include references to any media that you are using that isn't yours. Okay, even if it is yours, it's probably a good idea to point out that you own all the pictures, etc. So that it's pretty clear to me that the media that you use is either yours or you have cited it properly. Okay, and I'll show you a format to use below. Now I've got some examples that I think I showed you in the last module as well, but here are some examples if you didn't look at them of some finished digital stories. As far as software using, WeVideo is probably one of the easier programs to use. It's a web-based program that both Windows and Mac computers can use. So it's pretty easy to use. You can also, if you have a Mac, you can use iMovie, or if you have a Windows program, you can use Movie Maker if you're familiar with those. If you've got a different program that you like, then that's perfectly fine, as long as you can get the video to YouTube so that you can put it on your portfolio. Okay. Now for each of those, I've got tutorials that you can use that'll help you to learn how to use the different programs. But that's really video editing is pretty time consuming. That's why I'm giving you 2 weeks for this module. I definitely encourage you to do a little bit at a time because if you try to wait to the last minute to do it, it will take you quite a bit of time to do this. Okay. And then I've got a link for uploading to YouTube. I've got some additional resources here for Creative Commons work that you can use, multimedia, pictures, images, things like that, so that you can not worry about being in copyright plagiarism or anything like that. And then when you cite your media at the end, you want to, I've got a format here that you can use. So if you use any of these, it follows this pretty similar format where in brackets I've just got a description of the media, the website that I got it from, the date I retrieved it from, and then the website that I retrieved it from, the full URL. Now you'll notice that I don't have Google in here as one of my links. You'll never cite Google as your source for finding media. Google is a search engine and which will help you find the media, but you'll have to find the website at the endpoint that actually owns the picture. So let me do a quick search here. Okay, so although I might be using Google, Kennedy, okay, it's just my search engine. So let's say I find this image here and I want to use it. I can click on it. Now again, I'm not going to copy this link as my reference link. Instead, what I want to do is go to this little button that says View Image. Okay, now this is the website that I will use, the full URL. Okay, so if this was my example, I would say, all right, I'm getting this website, this picture from history.com, and this is the full URL. Okay, so that's just important clarification. Make sure you don't cite Google. Okay, and then at the bottom it'll show you how to add the portfolio, both your mind map and the digital story finished product to your portfolio. Okay. Now, one more thing on citing media. I do have a screencast here that will show you how to convert a PowerPoint slide to an image. So what a lot of people like to do is use this format in a PowerPoint slide. Okay, so let's say you have 5 images that you use. create a PowerPoint slide, and then you can convert that PowerPoint slide into an image, which then can be uploaded to Weebly or I'm sorry, WeVideo or iMovie or any of the movie maker programs. Okay, so make sure you do watch that converting PowerPoint slideshow. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.